Guilty on 3 counts of forgery. That's the verdict a jury reached today against Portsmouth City Councilman Mark Whitaker.
But the legal battle doesn't end there. Whitaker's defense team is working to get that verdict set aside.
13 News Now reporter Jacqueline Lee brings us the details from Portsmouth.
Mark Whitaker's defense attorneys want the judge to set aside the jury's verdict because they argue the jury did not fully understand the law or the evidence presented. The prosecution called Mark Whitaker the center of the storm, the mastermind behind a forgery scheme that preyed on victim Kevin Blunt. Blunt is a contractor who worked with Whitaker on Whitaker's church redevelopment project. Blunt testified that he told Whitaker directly that he didn't want to take out any loans in his name to complete that project. However, evidence showed someone did it anyway. The prosecution said Whitaker was the only one who knew Blunt wouldn't play ball, putting Whitaker behind the forgery. The jury agreed.
It's not an unexpected verdict when you look at how this whole process has been.
During jury deliberation, they came back with a question. What is the legal definition of forgery? Defense attorney John Babineau said this is concerning after the court already gave them clear instruction.
In black and white, that provided them with the instructions that they needed to follow and the law that they needed to apply in the case.
Whitaker's sentencing hearing is scheduled for September 26th, and the judge will decide whether or not to set aside the verdict. Whitaker said he feels encouraged to push forward.
This is part of the process of a road that is long, winding, that leads to vindication and exoneration. And so, this is the fourth quarter, and we're going into overtime.
And to clarify, the jury did find Whitaker guilty, but Whitaker has not been convicted of anything. This means his position on city council is still intact, and he said he will be attending the next city council meeting. In Portsmouth, Jacqueline Lee, 13 News Now.